Morning, guys. May 10th, 2023. This is where I got a call for no heat at one of the daycares I'm working at. I work at times. And, I was just over there working on the AC yesterday. Now they're complaining about no heat. She says the thermostat's on heat, but she has no heat throughout the whole building, so it's got something to do with the boiler, which I didn't touch. I don't know if it's I think it might be electronic spark or a pilot on that thing. I'm not sure. But it's a big ass boiler, gas boiler in the bottom of that building there. So we gotta go over there and find out why they got no heat. I think last time I've changed vent damper over there before in the past. But anyway, that's what we're going over there for now, and see if we could get the heat going for her. And so she said it's a little chilly over there. Try to get you some shots. She said something about he shut something off because one of the zones kept running. That's electronic spark. These are all on. That's on. This thing was, it says low water there. Could be this thing. Full of rust or something. Not good to have all this stuff here, all this stripper and shit around the boiler. Maybe this flipping damper's giving us a problem. All kinds of wires disconnected here. This yellow wire's been disconnected. Got 26 volts there, so that's good. Put this on the common so we can see what's happening here. Volts there. Let's see, we got 26 volts there, which we do. We got 26 volts coming in to the control. This one here. I got 26 volts coming into this control here. Optional. Ground. Pilot. This yellow one here. Could be this damper control screwed up. Could be this damper control. This spark controller. The only thing that's sending signal to this thing is this white one, right? And then the black and the red come in. The red is the one. The red that's coming in. The red wire is coming in. Coming down to this. I got 26. And it goes out black here to here. Goes out black. Looks like it's pinched right there. Looks like it's going to have been pinched right there, the black. And then the black goes up to the damper. The damper control. The black goes up to this thing. Goes up to the rollout switch and then back. And it comes in on red. I got 26 volts on red. So it should fire. Then the red goes to the high limit. Back to high limit. Red goes to high limit. No? Yeah, the red comes in from the high limit. So we got a bad we got power coming into the high limit, going through the high limit. So it's either a bad damper control, put it in a 15, could be this damper controls, the end switch is bad. Could be the spark controller. I should have another one in the truck. Alright, so I have power on the orange. I got power on the red. I got power on the white. And the black is the only one that's supposed to be the common, the neutral. So I should have power going down. Yeah, I think that the power, I think the black's just the neutral. If I get a little plug I could put in there, I might have a bypass plug I could put in there, see if it's the damper or the control. I should have that control in the truck. It's a S3M10M. It's either that or it's the damper, one of the two. Thinking it's this control that's bad. I should have them controllers. I would buy some. I just bought some. I don't know what I did with them, but they're here somewhere. There we go. I think these are the ones here. 186. What? I think it's this control. I have them in the truck, so I'm going to change that. We'll take this damper. We'll try putting the new damper plug on there. If that don't work, we're gonna put this in. Security sealed. Kind of weird. Let me shut the power off. Make sure that the power is off, which it is. We're gonna change that control out. It's a brand new, randy new control. They said I had power. No power going in and out, but nothing. We'll do one plug at a time here. There we go. And I think that this here, we don't have the damper. We leave that plug on there or something. I'll have to look at that. Something with the plug, or something with that little wire. Sparker goes there. Damper plug goes there. This red one, it's the same control. It should be plug and play here. This red one's the TH optional. Which is that one. And this black one is a 24 volt. 24 volt, which is the second one. And the next one, the white one, should be the ground, which we had. Which is the ground. And then this one was the ground for the burner. This green one's the ground for the burner. It should be a ground for the burner. Which sometimes is an issue with that, but oh, see, it's not broken. Then we got the one going to the gas valve, which I didn't have any power. Yellow. Yellow, white, and the last one's orange. Turn it on and see if she fires up. Ready? Here it's sparking. Alright, so I'm getting 15 volts there. 25. Let's see if the pilot's open. Pilot's on. There it goes. Just clicked on now. She's alive, Mama. We're in the back control. She's alive. Hold open damper. It's been 7 years, so. Okay, so ignition control. I had to put a new ignition control in there. That's what it was. It's shit like this. You gotta check the voltage and find out what's happening. And you know, the voltage goes up through this and then back, and could get tricky. She's a beast, man. That's a flippin' beast. And I put the instructions right up here in case it goes out an error code or anything like that. The blinks.